What's the meaning of civic center? Civic center. Civic center.
Civic center. Civic center. A civic center is a building or complex that houses government offices and facilities, as well as public meeting spaces for community events and cultural activities. It serves as a hub for civic engagement and provides essential services to the community. The term can also refer to a specific area within a city that has been designated as the central location for civic activities and events. In short, a civic center is a vital part of any community, bringing people together and providing a range of important services.